shit.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Alright, so today's video, I will be installing my UEL Tomei headers. So I didn't record this part, but since my car is a little lower, I had to kind of drive it on top of a wooden plank, whatever you want to call it, just so I could jack it up. So I'm gonna go ahead, jack the car up, first step. As you see, got the car on the jack stands. That side and that side. Now it's time to get to work. So if y'all can see, there's a few. There's one here, here. Actually, I got two out already. There's like 1, 2. Not sure you can see right there, and then at the end, there's another one. There, by the way, the 12 millimeter bolts. One here. I think there's like 1 or 2 on this side, and then the other bolts you see, I think they're just 10 millimeter. Dang, my head. It's always that one bolt that just won't come out. It's irritating me so bad. All right, I got all the bolts out. Now I just gotta take out the few pins that's here. I'm just be using like a flat head and just trying to just pop them out. Probably breaking them by doing this, probably don't give a fuck. All right, so I should have did this first, but do this before you take the headers off. Of course, you're gonna want to remove the 2 sensors and then the clips that hold it down there. So you're gonna want to completely just remove the wiring. That way, when you take and I'll take the header off, you know, everything will safely come off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the nuts here. Well, the ones need to loosen there, and up here, not sure if you can see it. Go ahead and spray those with WD-40 and get ready to take them out. By the way, the size of the nuts is 14 mil. So when taking off the header, make sure to get a deep socket rather than like a regular size socket, because the regular one won't work. So make sure you get a deep socket, one of the longer ones. Hey y'all, so it is the very next day. So basically, I'm here, I'm bolting. Well, I had to end up bolting this back on because I had to end up, you know, going back to the store and stuff. But basically, these 2 bolts right here, the 2 you gotta take out right here, these are a pain in the ass. I mean, this one was more easy to take out, but this one, I mean, I just couldn't. I mean, I'm just sitting for hours, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, just trying to break this thing, man. Not break it, but you know, loosen it. And so basically what I ended up doing was I got a torch. And all I did, because I tried WD-40, didn't do anything, so I just heated up a little bit with the torch. And then I took a breaker bar. By the way, it's still a 14 mil bolt. I mean, nut. But I used the 14 mil bolt. Just had to use a breaker bar. I was able to get it, got it loose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take those out and take the other bolts out. Not sure if you can really see some right there on the other side. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the OEM header out. Hey yo, I did not think to lubricate it, so I'm gonna try some WD-40 and see if that helps. finally got the header off, y'all. Mind you, it's been probably like a week or two since I started this project in the video and everything. Oh my gosh, it was a struggle. I had to do so much. Oh my goodness, but I finally got it off. And all I gotta do is just switch the two sensors, put on a new header, put the gaskets on, and bolt everything in. So I did not point out, I did have to drop my front pipe to get it off. So yeah. All right, so for the O2 sensors, I'm gonna be using the 22 mil wrench. Of course, you want the black one to go on the outer side like that, and then that gray one is gonna go in like the inner side, I should say. All right, once you get everything loosened with the wrench, just go ahead and screw these off. Then it's the gray one that was on that side, so I'm gonna put it on the same side on the new header. That tighten. Got that tighten, and I'm gonna take my there go my wrench. Just tighten it a little more. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put my new gaskets on. Get that in place and bolt it on, and it does come with some bolt smooth paste. I guess you put it on before you bolt everything in so that they won't become seized. I guess next time you remove it or something. I'm gonna lie, I have no clue why this bar is here. Maybe it's something for shipping, but I'm gonna have to take it off because I can't get it on like this. But yeah, unbolt those and remove it. So to take that little bar thing off that was right here, I saw, I just used, it's just two 14 bolts, millimeter bolts right there. I just used the, dang, I don't even know what I did with it. A 14 millimeter wrench, just to, you know, unscrew those. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Oh no, I messed it up. Ah, damn it. All right, I got it on, but I wish I had someone to help me hold this thing. This is gonna be over the challenge. Fuck, man. Just go on, bro. It's not that hard. My arms, I'll tell you, my arms are getting so tired, bro. Oh my goodness. Not gonna lie, I might have to make a call. All right, now that everything's installed, I'm gonna try to start the car. Hope everything go well. I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm tripping. It was in first? Yes, bro, I forgot. Oh, shit. Holy moly. Happened to all of us. All right, for real this time, we're gonna try this again. Hey, make sure, I don't recommend starting your car while it's on jack stands with a jack. And also make sure when you drive the manual, it's always in neutral. I did some real dumb stuff and I could have messed up my car, but I'm gonna try this again. Surprisingly, I have no check engine light. I'm gonna try to get some revs after I warm up a little bit. But this is a warm start. Okay. Let me let it get warm. I'm gonna let it warm up and then I'm gonna rev it. All right, now to get some revs. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's just like a oh my god.